I am notoriously bad at doing my hair. So my mom bought me this waver a while ago. This is the Bedhead Wave Artist. I don't actually even know if they still sell this, but I thought I would try it out today because my hair is greasy and I don't really want to wash it. So I'm just going to try that out today and maybe do some kind of look. It doesn't really beep, so I don't really know when it's ready, but I'm just gonna kind of do it for like a couple seconds. I know I've seen some on TikTok that beep when it should be done, but it seems like a couple seconds are enough. Yes. Okay, so here's the first one. Okay, yeah, this is cute. That's one side done now. I think I just have to fill in some areas because I did not clip it up like people are supposed to. I just realized I forgot my heating spray. Be right back. It's better late than never. At least this side will have something. Okay. Okay, so this is both sides done. I think it's really cute. I think I just have to touch up the top parts because I just didn't clip this part up. I don't think I want my bangs crimped like this, so I'm just gonna use a straightener forward. And it always looks a little crazy first, but then I'll kind of get this and split it in the middle. And I'll comb it up to the side and then fix it with my hand. Okay, this is the final look. Gonna get some hairspray. Oh. That is the final look.